Mapagpalang umaga mga kabahay. So nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Santa Maria, Bulacan, in Barangay Bulak. So malapit lang ito sa New City Hall ng San Jose, People Park ng San Jose, and Sports Complex ng San Jose. Kung saan napakaganda ng ambience, maraming mga establishment na malapit, lalong-lalo na meron tayong private school dito sa loob. So, I will show you guys our model BQ1. That's BQ1 is a total contract price of 1,375,000, a reservations of 5,000, and a down payment of 340,000, and a monthly amortization of 7,240. Pwede sa Pag-ibig, pwede sa bangko, at pwede sa in-house. And guys, show up to you also our BQ2. So for our BQ2, that is reservations of 5,000, at total contract price of 1,800,000, a down payment of 480,000, a monthly of 8,500. So, pwede sa bangko also, pwede sa Pag-ibig, at pwede sa in-house. So sa mga nauubusan nung aming Phase 1B, now, announcing to you na binubuksan na ngayon ang Phase 1C. So makakapili po tayo ng corner, end unit, and the inner unit. Also, we have our BQ Deluxe. So that's BQ Deluxe is a 50 square meter, 44 floor area, a discount of 200,000. Total contract price of 2,950,000. A down payment of 530,000 payable in 24 months with zero interest. A reservation of 20,000. So saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa Grand Sycamore. It's developed by AJ Mark, trusted developer as well. 27 years na silang nagde-develop ng bahay. So, mapagkakatiwalaan nyo po sila. And after dun sa sales, alam nyo ba na napakabilis ng process ng kanilang paglilipat ng title sa pangalan mo. So, grab the opportunity to have your own house. This is me, Cherry Olaviaga Escarpi, at your service!